Wait a minute. What is this car doing in a Tesla Model 3 video? Well, this was my old daily driver, a 2006 Lexus GS 300. It served me well for many years. I think I purchased it with about 35,000 miles on it back in the day. And it's been a good car. No, it's been a great car. But with 170,000 miles plus, it's only a matter of time before it really starts costing extra money. And I've had my deposit down on the Model 3 for a couple of years, and I finally was able to take delivery. So we must say farewell to the old Lexus and welcome in the 2018 Tesla Model 3 Midnight Silver Metallic. You saw it first with the aero wheel covers, and here it is with the wheel covers removed. I have since also scheduled an appointment at a local place called Clearbrow, Indy, and I've scheduled for window tint, full frontal Clearbrow, as well as the rocker panels, and having the complete car with ceramic coating added. So that's coming up in a future video, but for now I'm first going to show you just a moving time lapse of the work area at Indy Clearbrow, just to give you some idea. So they offer a variety of services, and after doing a little research, that's the company I decided to go with. As you can see, they have quite a collection of nice cars and a crew that seems to be dedicated to quality work. So in a future video, there'll be a little bit more Model 3, well, my Model 3, as it goes through several days of prep work and finishing. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, here's one video that I recommend, and this is going to be a regular feature of my videos. That toward the end, I'll recommend other Model 3 or Tesla videos that you may have missed on YouTube. This one is just a short one about the wheel cap kit that you can purchase, which is one that I purchased. But anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe, and I'll see you in a future video. Thanks.